Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I move the motion in the name of my right honourable friend, the Prime Minister. Today is the time for this House to come together and move forward. Someone who previously did that, and who many members of the House will still remember, was the former Secretary of State for Northern Ireland, Mo Mowlam. Her biography was called Momentum, in the days before it was a faction forcing out its own colleagues. And after 1,213 days and frequent debates in this chamber...
Order. I understand that passions are inflamed, but I do appeal to colleagues to weigh their words and to try to preserve the principle of political difference, personal amiability. The Secretary of State.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Now, that spirit of bringing people together was what I was seeking to pay tribute to. And after 1,213 days and frequent debates in this chamber, now is the time for this House to move